Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you a little bit about shopping in Las Vegas. While I do that I'll be walking around Town Square just to give you an idea of what it looks like. We got to Town Square from Excalibur Hotel in an Uber and it cost just under $10 and then we left a $3 tip. As you can see from this video, Town Square is really nice, but I only actually went there to shop in Ulta. There's no Sephora here, but don't worry, if you're looking for a Sephora there's plenty around the strip. Other shops here include Abercrombie, Hollister, Inglet and Hot Topic. I would recommend that if you want to go shopping in Hot Topic that you come to the one in Town Square because the customer service here is absolutely amazing. If you're a bargain hunter like me, you don't even have to leave the strip. You'll find a Marshalls and a Ross just next to the M&M store, and that's two of my favourite places to shop. That's definitely where you'll get the best bargains. If you come from the UK and you enjoy shopping in TK Maxx, I wouldn't go out my way to travel to TJ Maxx because it's quite far away from the strip, and Marshalls is actually owned by the same company, so you'll find all the same bargains in there. Last year I travelled quite far to get to one of the designer outlets, and honestly it was a complete waste of time. Everything there was totally extortionate and you weren't saving any money. Most of the shops that you find in Town Square can also be found in Fashion Show Mall. If you don't mind a good walk, you can definitely walk it to Fashion Show Mall without any problems. If you're looking for a good shop to buy sweets, there's one here called It's Sugar, but don't worry, if you can't make it to Town Square, you'll also find one inside the Venetian. If you're like me and you love eyeshadow, you might want to take a visit into Inglet, but I would suggest that you also go to the one inside the Venetian because the customer service in the one in Town Square really wasn't very good. While we were visiting here, it was Memorial Day weekend, so Abercrombie and Hollister had quite good sales on during that time. If you live in the UK and you're expecting to go to Vegas and get everything for a total bargain, then don't hold your breath because many of the brands are actually more expensive over there. With the exception of Ulta, which really was a bargain, the customer service in there was amazing, and you can also get money off vouchers to download before you go into the shop. So if you don't mind searching through rails and raiding through the store, then I would definitely recommend that you stick to Marshalls and Ross on the strip. Other than that, if you like a bit more organised shopping, then you should go to either Town Square or Fashion Show Mall. Even though Fashion Show Mall does have most of the same stores, it is a really nice place to visit, as you can see. It was really nice to just walk around here and have a look at the shops and see what they had inside. If you like sportswear, then you'll be happy to know that there's plenty of sports stores around, including plenty of Nike stores. When you're shopping for little gifts, a lot of people suggest going to Fremont Street. Although Fremont Street has a wide selection of gifts, I would suggest walking to a row of shops near the bottom of the strip, and you'll find little things in there for less than half the price. If you're looking for toys or classic toys of any kind, there's actually a toy store in Fremont Street that you don't want to miss out on. This shop sells everything. There's literally toys there that must have been there from the 70s. It was amazing, I didn't even want to leave. There's a shop in Town Square and Fashion Show Mall called Justice. It's a little bit like Girl Heaven and Tammy Girl, except it sells clothes for adults. If they opened this shop in the UK, I think I would literally pee my pants with excitement. It was just the best thing ever. Let me know in the comments section if you've been to Vegas and where you like to shop. If you have any questions at all about shopping in Vegas, please ask them in the comments section and I will answer them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!